Hello mushroom growers, how are you? Myself Apuru Kumar Singh, software developer and computer programmer, and as you know, mushroom cultivation is my hobby, and today's video is about button mushroom crop. How can I get a better quality crop? So let us continue about this video. And today I will give you clear practical farm level points that you can directly use in your farm to take healthy crop. First one, precautions before cultivation, pre-cropping. Precautions during cropping, growing period, precautions while harvesting, precautions after harvest, post-harvest handling. So come on pre-cultivation precautions, that is before crop enters room. Here is a table coming on your screen. In this table some points are given, and for that point what to do and why. In this table these are given. So room cleaning, why we clean room, wash and disinfect grow room with lime and formalin or bleach 5%, removes mold and competitor fungi. No wooden items, use only puff or SS or PVC because wood absorbs spores, causes contamination. Compost quality, very important thing. Use well cooked phase second compost, that is mature compost. Under mature or undercooked compost leads to green mold. Pasteurization check, ensure 58 to 60 degrees centigrade for 6 to 8 hours. Why? Kills harmful microbes and flies. Spawn quality, it is also a important point because customer or farmers take cheap spawn and they are not of so much good quality. So take cheap and best. I think cheap and best is good at this situation. So spawn quality, use fresh certified spawn, old spawn, slow growth and disease. Humidity system clean. Clean foggers or nozzles weekly. Dirty nozzles spread infections. Air filtration, use air filters on fresh air intake, prevents pest and mold spore entry. Now come on precautions during crop growing, pinning and growth stage. A table is coming on the screen. Stage, and that stage what to do and what not to do. At spawning stage, mix spawn evenly in compost. Do not add extra water during spawning. Spawn run while growth stage, maintain 24 to 26 degrees centigrade and humidity 80 to 85 degrees centigrade. Do not open room doors frequently. Casing soil, use pasteurized soil only, pH 7 to 7.5. Do not use garden soil full of molds, don't use. Pinning stage, reduce temperature to 16 to 18 degrees centigrade gradually. Do not shock suddenly, pins abort. Pins will dead if you do this type of thing. Humidity, keep 85 to 90% fine mist spray. Do not sprinkle water directly on pins. Airflow. Keep light air movement only. Do not use strong fans. Pins will dry or crack. CO2 control. Open fresh air dampers periodically. Do not keep room close air long stems. Sanitation. Staff must wear clean clothes, masks, no outsiders allowing inside grow rooms. Now common precautions while harvesting. A table is coming on the screen. What to do and why in this table, these are given. Harvest when cap is tight, button stage, best weight and shelf life. Harvest by twisting, not cutting. Cutting leaves stump, infection starts. Use gloves while harvesting, prevents microbial transfer. Remove entire stump and refill hole with casing soil, prevents disease spot for next flush. Keep harvest in clean trays, SS or plastic trays, avoid contamination. Do not during harvest. Do not touch mushrooms with wet hands. Do not harvest and water at the same time. Do not allow flies inside the room. Now post harvest handling, storage and packaging. A table is coming on the screen. What to do and why at this stage? Immediately shift to cold room at 2 to 4 degrees centigrade. Maintains whiteness and firmness. Pre-cool harvest gently before packing. Reduces sweating inside packs. Pack in ventilated punnets or bags with holes. Mushrooms breath. Sealed bags cause root. Use clean cold vehicle for transportation. Heat reduces shelf life drastically. Maintain cold chain till market. Extends shelf life to 4 to 6 days. Post harvest mistakes to avoid. Do not wash mushrooms before packing. Make them spoil faster. Do not expose harvest to sunlight or hot air. Do not overstack trays. Causes bruising. So that is for today. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Mushroom Kings, and my website is www.mushroomgarden.in, and my WhatsApp number is 9198516409. So please like and subscribe my video, and if you have any interesting information about mushroom, send me on my WhatsApp number and I will discuss that information in my video with the sender name. So thank you for today.